Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to collaborate on Instagram story, we have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after you have been tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story, you can check it in your Instagram direct messages. You can click on this icon to open the Instagram DM, and as you can see, this is the account who mentioned me in a story, and I'm going to click on it. And if we want to repost the story or collaborate on this Instagram story, we can click on add to your story. Okay, and then you have to tap on the image to change size. We can tap on it to get the full screen, and then before you repost the story, you can edit it. You can add tag, sticker, or music. It's up to you. Then you just need to click on your story once you're ready to share this Instagram story to your account. Okay, and now this story is being uploaded, and I'm going to check it in my story. Okay, this one. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the Instagram story I have just reposted, and you will see the collaboration right here. Alright guys, and that's all the way to collaborate on an Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.